Welcome to this lesson on the first steps you should take after subscribing to Fusion 360. We're going to explore how to access your Autodesk account and your products and services, and for the contract managers or software coordinators, how you can assign users to specific software. I'll also be providing the links to further videos as a call to action and in the description below, so keep an eye out for those. First, I want to explain the difference between a user and a contract manager or software coordinator. A user is essentially anyone who has a registered account with Autodesk. Users cannot assign software or services to themselves. They can only view, download, and use software that's been assigned to them, as well as viewing their cloud service usage and remaining cloud credits. A contract manager is the main point of contact for Autodesk, and as a base is also a user with users' rights. However, they will also receive any email communications from Autodesk, are able to assign, remove, and reassign software to users, as well as managing the contracts for the account. A software coordinator has the same rights as a contract manager, with the exception that they cannot amend the contracts themselves. They just receive communications and assign software to users. To access your account, go to manage.autodesk.com and use your associated login details when you first created your account. If you don't have an account, then you can sign up for one here as well. After signing in, you'll see the Products and Services and Reporting tabs on the left. If you are a contract manager or software coordinator, then you will also see User Management and/or Billing and Orders. Products and Services are where you access and download software that's been assigned to you. User Management is only visible by contract managers or software coordinators, and is where you assign, reassign, remove, or edit users and their software and services access rights. Billing and Orders is only visible by the contract manager and is where you can access and edit your subscriptions and view any upcoming payments and your order history. The Reporting tab is where any user can view and access their A360 cloud storage drive. You can also see your cloud credit usage for cloud-based tasks, some optional, such as rendering, simulation, or generative design. Going back to User Management, I want to show you how the contract manager or software coordinator can assign users. To add a user, click on the Add button, enter the user's email address, which must be the same email they used to log into their Autodesk account, and first and last name. You can then either opt to assign software now or at a later date by leaving unchecked. If you have multiple users you want to add at one time, you can use the bulk option just to the right hand side. Go back to the Add User tab, click on Save and Close, and you'll see the users populate in the table below. To assign or unassign a user, simply click on Edit Access next to the user, and under the Products and Services tab, you'll see an option to assign the software. In the drop-down, you'll see other options within Fusion that can also be assigned or unassigned to users. Press Save, and you will now see the Products and Services value next to my name increase to 1, indicating I've been assigned the software. Once your software has been assigned, a user can go to the Products and Services tab once more to download the Fusion 360. First, find it in your list, then on the right hand side you should see a download button. Click on that, download the installer, and follow the prompts to install Fusion 360 on your machine. Once installed, simply use the same credentials used to log into your account to access and start using the software. That was a brief overview of the differences between a user and a contract manager or software coordinator, how to assign users, and how to access and download the software. In the next video, we'll explore how to get up and running with Fusion 360 and how to set up, access, and transfer projects to your Team Hub.